when the fire burned bright. In the cradle of darkness I gave birth to light. From swirling dust the earth took form. I am chaos, the eye of the storm. Blazing clouds of gas and flame, a molten world without a name. Iron sank to form the core, lava flowed and mountains soared. I am chaos, the shaper of worlds. Lava flows and stone unfurls. The earth will tremble, the plates will break. From destruction comes the life I make. The mantle churns a molten sea. Its motion drives the plates you see. Collide, divide, the crust will tear. Mountains rise in the trembling air. I am chaos, the shaper of worlds. Lava flows and stone unfurls. The earth will tremble, the plates will break. From destruction comes the life I make. Through fire and ash, the earth found peace. Continents drifted, the chaos ceased. The oceans formed, the skies turned blue. Balance emerged and life grew too. I am chaos, the shaper of worlds. Lava flows and stone unfurls. The earth will tremble, the plates will break. From destruction comes the life I make. I am not gone, I never sleep. The shifting plates and oceans deep. The earth's great stories mine to mold. A tale of fire, life, and gold.